We have a topic here that says there will be no election in Anambra, which we have been saying for a very, very long time. And we are receiving a message now that in Anambra, in Anam, the reason why I'm saying it because I'm on ground. We went down and see what things are happening. We are here in Biafra land. We go places and know what happens there. We don't stay and talk the way people talk. We don't stay now. We go and see what happens ourselves. And when we come out to talk with you, to you, we talk it that we know what we are saying. In Anam, as I speak to you now, Apuga is about to rig that very election over there. They get if they win, if they get 1,000 votes in the whole of Anambra, what they get in Anam is 800. So if you are from Anam in Anambra, if you are from Anam in Anambra and you haven't called your people not to vote, start doing it immediately. They are sharing money everywhere in Anambra. Obiano, Willie Obiano is doing campaign with young naked girls. Every street of Oka is full of young naked prostitutes. Young naked prostitutes. They are doing this very campaign with these young prostitutes, and those young prostitutes, some of them are not even from Anambra, some of them are from Kogi, and all the rest of them. They are half naked. They are dancing in the streets of Oka, campaigning for Apuga to come and win. Then I ask myself, how this bunch of fools, bunch of animals, campaigning with young naked prostitutes, if they win this very election, so our money will start going to these prostitutes because they meant them to go into office. These are the people that we are dealing with. We are dealing with animals, not human beings. We deal with animals. You know, when you see a zoo soldier, you know it's an animal. You don't know anything that shoot, kill people. That is the only thing they know. That is the same thing that is happening here. They are animals. They don't understand anything. The only thing they understand is, what will we do to get into this power? That is the only thing they understand. The only thing they understand. Power again. The time he was giving you couldn't deliver anything. The only thing you deliver is to kill your people. Killing the youth every day. And now they are looking on how to enter into the power. Secondly, the second topic we have here says, what have you done to make sure that this value boycott is a successful one? What have you done to make sure that this boycott is a successful one? I don't know. What have you done to make sure that this boycott is a successful one? We don't believe in coming here talking. No, we don't believe in that. What we believe in is you do this for this election to stop. We'll give you thumb up. And very, very soon you see what will happen. Very, very soon. People said, oh, they ask people to go inside. People have run inside. Very, very soon you see something that will happen that will baffle you. And here we are here telling you for you to understand what we mean. For you to understand what we mean. If you are ready to sacrifice, if you are ready to pay the ultimate sacrifice to make sure that this very election will stop, we are welcome. You can. We will accept you. You know, in Anambra, it's not very easy to walk around the street of Anambra now. Because since I was walking in the street of Okas of yesterday, people were shouting, Wachineke, everywhere, Wachineke, everywhere. And that's some way you see the people that will go and those who me there because they are very, very, I don't know. Call on WhatsApp, can you hear me?
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning from here.
What has to be, please?
Okay,
my brother. Okay, good morning.
Good morning to you.
Yeah, let me make it now.
I don't know.
Babu?
Yeah.
My brother, I'm not going to pay no bazaar. Maybe lie. I will tell you. Take a minute now. Take us around there.
We are live and we are live for air now, my dear brother. We are live.
Yeah?
We are live now. Yeah. Thank you very much for that. Thank you very, very much for that. That was a caller from Italy. I don't know. I will have another caller here. Caller on WhatsApp, can you hear me?
Yeah, hello MC Black.
Yeah, good morning from here. Please tell us your name and where you are calling from.
Yeah, my name is Emeka I'm calling from Thailand.
Thank you very much, my
friend. I'm from Ihala.
Thank you very much.
Anambra State.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Yeah. So our topic today is about no election, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, no election in Anambra State. And my effort, I have made very big effort to make sure that no election from anybody from my village. I've been calling my village people, my brothers, So I don't want them to be involved about anything about election. Because no more election in Anambra State, in Biafra State. No more election. I want everyone to hear me. No more election. You understand me? Because no need to election. Election for what? We vote somebody in. The person will eat their money, and killing our brothers and sisters every day. No more election in Biafra land, my brother. All the whole Biafra land, all my brothers and sisters, please, one love, all Biafrans, please, no more election in Biafra land, please. Let us start from Anambra State. No more election. Please, I say make you go take all Biafran people. Nothing will happen to them.
Yes, sir.
In Chukwuka, yes, sir. MC Black.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much, my dear brother. Okanume, please. Okanume, my fellow comrade, please. I would like you to leave that this very studio line on the comment box now so that I can pin it here. Please type it on there as a comment so I can pin it here, please. Thank you very much, my dear brother, my fellow comrade. Thank you. Call on the phone. Can you hear me? Call on the phone. Can you hear me? I'm not hearing you. I'm not hearing you. Your line is very down. Yeah, the line is very, very down. Yes, as I was saying before, if you want to know if we are saying the truth here, come down to Anambra and go around Anambra and see what is going on. Every day they do go and buy crowd from Kogi, from Edo State, from I don't know, from Benue, from the north. Everywhere they go and buy their crowd. The incident that happened last week Friday was they brought people from Kogi. All the crowd you see in APC campaign was brought from Kogi. They was brought from Kogi. We have a caller here. The caller on WhatsApp, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Good morning from here. Give us your name and
Good morning, brother.
Give us your name and where you are calling from.
All right, my name is Dan Smart. I'm calling from Malaysia. I am from Imo State, Biafra land.
Okay, I will get back to you. Thank you very much. Go ahead and speak.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you. Go ahead and speak to us.
Okay, MC Black.
My dear brother, you are.
I am very much happy.
Hello. Hello.
I am very much happy.
My dear brother, before you go ahead, you said you are calling from Malaysia, but this number you are calling is United Kingdom. Am I correct? It's 444. I don't know.
Yeah, don't bother about the number I'm calling you with.
Okay.
I've told you why I'm calling. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm very much happy for what you are doing. I'm seeing what you are doing online.
Thank you.
I'm very, very much happy, and we are doing our best here to make sure that the Anambra election will not hold. And by the special grace of Chukwuokike Abiama, I believe that the election will not hold.
You see?
I really, really believe Chukwuokike Abiama will surely do it for us. I'm very, very much happy for what you are doing. I say may Chukwuokike Abiama guide you and protect you.
You see?
You see? Yeah. My brother want to talk to you also. We are also doing our own best here to make sure that this election will not hold.
Okay, go ahead.
That day is Offense Salad Day.
Exactly.
So my brother, you people should try and do anything possible to make sure that we shut Anambra election down.
Exactly.
Talk to my brother.
Thank you.
Hello?
Good morning from here.
Yeah, good afternoon from Malaysia.
Okay, thank you. Go ahead, my dear brother. What is your name and where do you come from in Biafra land? Unbelievable. We lost him. We lost the call. The network was not suitable at all. We have a caller here. Caller on WhatsApp. Can you hear me? KANU, please. I would like you to get back to me. I would like you to get back to me. My fellow comrade, a very good friend of mine, he's doing a very good job there in Abo. I don't know. So I was saying, yeah, he's here. My fellow comrade, good morning from here.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning, MC Black.
My dear brother, please give the world your name and where you are calling from so they can know, please.
Yeah, this is Okanim Chukwuabiama. I'm calling from Abo in Biafra land.
Thank you very much, my dear brother.
I'm very happy to hear your voice this morning, and the broadcast is making me to be joyful.
Thank you very much.
And what I'm trying to say is that 18th of November, there will be an election. Whatever I can do to my friends and the elections in Anambra State, I've done it already.
Yeah.
And I know that they're listening to me, and I know that they will listen to me. Because there is nothing for them to vote. I'm telling it to the world. There is no need for them to vote. There is no need for people to come out. For many years, we have been slave to these politicians, and we say no to it, starting from that day. And I'm having it that vision that even if something terrible will happen, and anybody that come out and die from that day should not blame anybody.
Yeah.
Because I know that our enemy are everywhere to destroy. But I am convinced that Chukwuokike Abiama must surely fight for us, and he has been fighting for us.
Yeah.
So what I'm trying to tell you is that keep it on. I thank God how you started it earlier today. I thank the community of heaven, Chukwuokike Abiama, who we are serving, will protect you.
You see?
Guide you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Heal our people at the hospital. Encourage those in the prison. Guide our people director. Guide our leader. That's why Chuku and so many of them who are making all these things to be possible. The God of heaven will bless them in the name of the Yeshua.
You see?
Thank
you very much. Thank you very much, my dear brother. Thank you. Thank you very much, my dear brother. Call on WhatsApp. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you, my brother. Yeah, I'm hearing you. Good afternoon, my brother.
Good morning from here.
Yeah, I'm Stanley, calling from Indonesia.
Thank you, my dear brother.
Yeah, but I heard from Islam Banana government area in the state Biafra land.
Go ahead.
I want to thank you for the good job you are doing to Biafra. May you welcome and bless your family.
You sir?
Yeah. To contribute for what you are, the topic you are doing this morning, I have last few days ago, I sent all my brothers money here to use and eat and cook soup that very day. I have even sent my parents money, and I won all of them. I have even sent all my brothers money, even my mother and my father. That I told them that if I send you this money I send it to you, if we should make use of it on November 18th. And if I eventually know that we go out of vote, cut me out. I will never send them money again until I come back. They said no problem. So I have contributed a lot. I have talked to my friends. Maybe from now to down, anytime I get money, I will send maybe 3,000, 2,000 to some of my friends. Let them use it and the drinks or cook that very day. So that the election will not hold. So I'm contributing a lot. I am asking God to give me a lot of money so that I will settle all my friends to make sure that they are indoors. And I will ask one or two to be monitoring them. If anybody collect my money and they go out and vote, I will block them on WhatsApp, I will block on Facebook, I even delete their contacts because they are betrayers, because they don't want Biafra to come. So that is my contribution.
Thank you very much.
So that the election will not hold.
Thank you.
Yeah, my brother.
Thank you very much, my dad. Thank you for that.
Thank you, my brother.
And you too.
Yeah, my brother.
Thank you. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very, very much for that. People have been, I don't know. We have a caller here on the phone, on WhatsApp. Caller on WhatsApp, now you hear me? Can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Hello.
Good morning from here. Give us your name and where you are calling from.
Hello, brother. Can you hear me?
Yeah, good morning from here. Give us your name and where you are calling from.
Yeah. Keke man.
Ademuma.
I'm from Imo State. So I'm calling from United Kingdom.
Thank you, my dear brother.
So ihe nwere ikwu na if I are izu mana gị na-abụ na-ekwupụta so enwere program nwanne anyị nwaanyị nke nọ America enwere ike dị na maka afọ ya bụ Ogechukwu Okeke. So ọ na-emekwa program ụta isi wee na-eme so anyị na-aga steady so enwekwuru oge o kwuru si na enwere some ndị baịrụ n'ụlọ na-alụ ụlọ anyị na-alụ they need help they need gasịrị ihe dịka ego ka ha nwee ike wee na-eme one or two things ka things na-aga aga ka anyị nwee ike hụ na ihe gbasara election a enwere ike ihold so esokwe m contribute because mụ abụ a believer na Biafra or die better na nwụrụ than it's na more so na one Nigeria. No. It can't happen. So ihe gbasara onye nakita for enaga uche gi adia so I nwere many saboteurs there na Biafra land nke go na nwogo nkola there. So ebobele na-aga bụ ebe nwere crowd so enaga uche gi adia because ndị niile a na-ego nwa Chineke nka some of them were saboteurs. You have to go. So mana ihe nwere gwa gị bụ na whether Obiano, Rogers, all of them Kidimafia, Nwodo and Co, whether Factorema actually Biafra must come.
You sure?
You have to go. Biafra must come.
You sure?
And I'm from Imo State, but my people Bioncha, yet ago. So Abugomofa, Waha, na only obula believe na Moabu 1 year or na enwere something or you waiting naka or no something on may expect from me. You forget anything concern election, Anambra election. Yet ago, and ending Gemo and take care of them. Basara education and other things and go for anything concern Anambra election, not only Anambra election, any election and mena Biafra land Ngaha can go not like election again in Biafra land. Yet ago, so even Basala Leon, even my friends most to go for nothing like election. And whether Factorema actually, brother, if I now go live, I must say Obiano and go Haji, Guabusa, Tandabla, like Rabia made election. It doesn't matter. Ogaha walk.
Exactly.
So ọtụrụkwa no ka mbodo bụrụ ihe niile ka anyị ekwu na public emecha ya izu mụa efugo online emecha m ga-akpọ gị iche enwere some things mana gị ekwugasị then enwekwana some things ya eme ya no ya because we group n'ezi imi ịghọtago
daalụ nwanne m
daalụ jisike jisike.
Next caller on the phone, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Give us your name and where you are calling from, please.
Yeah, my name is.
Your voice is very, very low. Your voice is very, very low.
Yeah, I'm calling from Canada.
From Canada?
Yes, I'm calling from Canada.
My brother, can you please speak up? Your voice is very, very low. Your voice is very, very down. I don't know.
Yeah, it's the problem.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Yes, I want to thank you so much for your. I want to thank you so much for your inspiration that you're giving to our people. Basically, I want you to understand that Biafra realization is something that we must put hands together and it must surely come.
You see?
Ever that is against the calling of Biafra will not succeed. And based on the issues on the ground, Anambra State election, the world has already declared that it's not going to hold, no matter the people that backing all the so-called criminals, those betrayers, those people who are there, collaborated with these people, and
the voice is very, very low. Your voice is very, very low. I don't know. Call on the WhatsApp. Can you hear me?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning from here.
I'm calling from Mozambique.
From Mozambique?
Yeah.
Thank you, my dear brother. Go ahead and speak to us. You didn't give us, give us your name, please. Give us your name.
My name. Hello, my name is Chidi.
Okay, thank you. Go ahead.
Yeah. We're more to my brothers and sisters, especially in the Anambra State. That election day, I'm very sure that my high natural will tell you.
Yeah.
That's my advice to everybody in Anambra State. You that day when I book you, buy ticket here yourself so that you maybe you can win a name and my hand again. So that everyone can tell you how to go.
Call on the phone. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Good morning.
Good morning from here. Give us your name and where you are calling from.
Okay. My name is Oyadeke Tukwo Kishabiama. I'm calling you from the zoo, Lagos.
From Lagos?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Go ahead and speak to us.
Yes. I want to comment on the issue of no election in Biafra land, not only Anambra State.
Go ahead.
We are not going to participate on any election again in Biafra land. You can't be killing us and they are telling us to come out and vote for you.
Hello?
Hello, I can hear you, my brother.
Go ahead, we are listening.
I want to make it clear to our brothers in Anambra State that this is the time to take our destiny into our hands. Politicians in Biafra land cannot be killing us and at the same time asking us to vote. We are not participating on any election again. Everybody should sit at home on November 18th. We the Obiano should go and wake the people that he has murdered in cold blood. You should wake them to come and vote for him. We have died enough. We can't be fooled every time. During the election, they will be coming inside to the market, coming to places, entering Keken and Pepe. Do they think they are still deceiving us? We are not fooled forever. Our eyes are opened. Thank God for our leader, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. We are not participating on any election again. Let's stand this loud and clear. Anybody that is trying to vote that day, Metuko Kikabia must strike him dead.
You sir? Thank you very much, my dear brother from Lagos. Thank you. Call on WhatsApp, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you. Yeah, my brother.
Unbelievable.
So everybody should sit at home. Everybody should sit at home. That's all. Because you can't be beat us and tell us not to cry. It's not possible. How can you be killing my people? I've been telling me one Nigeria, telling me to come and vote for you again. If you not enter, you have to do more than you have been doing before. We're not selfish. We know them more than they know themselves. So we cannot vote again. We start from Anambra State. Exactly. That is all. Exactly. Everybody needs to sit at home.
Exactly. Thank you very much, my dear brother.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my dear brother from Mapu. Call on the phone, can you hear me? Please, I need people to tell me if Hello Motherland is on now. People should confirm if Motherland is on and tell me, please.
Hello.
Call on WhatsApp, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah. Brother, good afternoon.
Good
from
morning,
here.
Good morning from here. Give us your name and where you are calling from.
Yes, I called before, but I couldn't speak because the line cut.
Okay.
My name is Okejubu from Malaysia.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yes, I thank you first because of the good work you are doing.
Thank you very much.
In your own way to make sure that our beautiful country, Biafra, is restored.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You are doing your best to make sure that Anambra election did not hold.
Yeah.
It's a good step. We as I'm an IPOB member outside the country.
Call on the phone, can you hear me?
I'm from Imo State precisely.
Hello.
Good morning from here.
We are saying that Anambra election is not going to hold.
Good morning, my beloved brother. How are you today?
I'm fine.
We are going to attack people that are coming to.
Okay. My name is Evangelist Emeka Ibe. I'm calling from London.
From London. Thank you very much, my dear brother.
You are not going to the polling booth that day.
I heard from Arambizog is in Imo State. Imo State is Biafra land.
Thank you very much, my dear brother. Go ahead.
Before I say what I want to say,
Information that is spreading.
before I say what I want to say, I want to first of all thank Ohamadike one of Biafra land, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, and his deputy, Uche Mefo, and all the principal officers for opening our eyes. In fact, may the God Almighty Chukwu Okike Abiyama onye kere eluigwe n'ụwa, may we continue to bless them, because already we have taken up the scales from our eyes. And you, Chinemere, my brother, I don't know how to thank you. Last time I was watching one of your programs, people are commenting saying, where are you doing program when Motherland is broadcasting? I want you to know something, my brother. Listen, there are people who are calling you, and there are many people that have a fake account. Some people use this Igbo name, but they are Hausa, they are Yorubas, or some influences that are being paid in order to sabotage our struggle. I want you to know that what you are doing is 100% right, and we are supporting you. We are monitoring everything here from London, everywhere. So don't be discouraged of anybody that will tell you, why are you doing this when Motherland is broadcasting.
you are not working against our program. You are working in support and you are in solidarity of what we are all doing. So my brother, please keep it on. Anybody that is against the restoration of Biafra, that person will never live to see the Biafra land.
Yes, sir.
And anybody who is still deceiving himself, anybody in Anambra State who is still deceiving himself that there will be election or that is going to come out to vote, I am sorry for that person, because that person is still living in the world of yesterday. We have moved on, and anybody that refuses to move on with us, that person will be left behind. There is no space for armed robbers in Biafra land or in Biafra struggle. There is no space for saboteurs in Biafra struggle. This time around, if you don't want to move, we will keep you by the side, because nobody is important. It is Biafra or nothing. I am telling all the people in Anambra State, in Anambra State for over 9 years, so I know thousands and millions of people. I have called almost all of them. I have called many of them. And anybody I call will tell me, brother, please don't worry yourself. There is nothing like election. Anybody I call will tell me, if not Nnamdi Kanu, there is no one else. So we are now telling people that are still living in darkness in Anambra State to try and remove those scales in their God. But I am and to go and vote. That man of God needs to go for a second deliverance. I don't know if it's working for God or if it's working for government or if it's working for man. In fact, anybody, any preacher that will mount the pulpit and tell his people, go and vote, that person needs to be taken on, because he has the blood of Biafra in his or her body. Please, my brother, keep on what you are doing. There will never be election in Anambra State. And I said it before, I am saying it again. The restoration of Biafra is a task that must be accomplished and can never ever be compromised. What me it is Biafra or nothing. All hell Biafra.
Biafra will hear thee. Thank you very much, my dear brother. Well spoken. Thank you very, very much, my brother. Well spoken. I welcome your courage and I salute it.
Thank you and God bless you, Chairman. Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. The caller on WhatsApp, can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, my brother.
Morning from here.
Yeah, it's afternoon. Ahamu Michael Azubike. I'm from Biafra land, from Imo State.
Thank you very much.
Because one day I'm a joke in this thing. I got my best friend in the book. I'm going to allow me to because in the English, maybe other what I hear. Because even the Basra election, Anambra State. Muano Bodo Thailand, and I'm a man I got the guy here, including the Mobodo and in the police. So when we have an election of Anambra State. So Bola Atole election. So Bola that 18th November. So Bola no lawyer Chiyoko salary. So no pota. You know how many military days ago in Anambra State. Because so Bola for transit charge. So no Bola no lawyer. So no Bola no the Anambra Wapara na Biafra land. Because all Anambra Mrena they go China Ayaku na Biafra. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Warai. So when na do no Bola grant ma woke ma wine. Awabobia ma wokorobia ma nne onye na ha ga-enye 2000 onye na ha ga-ebi aparas wo ga-atọ ọtọ yore our destiny yore our future and the future ụmụ ya. So onye na ha nọrọ n'ụlọ ọwụ na onwe ha ego yọkpọ ụmụnne ka asị ndọrọ ya ego ka onwe ike si ofe ọbụla ọ na-ofe ọbụla ọ chọrọ ka onwe ike obi erijuo ya afọ hapụ ịga na 2000 or 5000 to election. Because one thing I am watching Gambo and Kenke, and you know some chocolate again, we never Basara this Bob Mane Ludogo. Bob Mane Ludogo will be Biafran, but Bob Mane dog may be lie. On again, this man advertised Anambra State. Ina kuna omre Anambra ke Anambra de Mama Anambra Ghana free station ne go. Bob Mane Ludogo is a owner we create on Biafran man. So him the one of them Bob Mane Ludogo do ya kananti. Se wo pa kana yin ojo. All the pa kana yin ojo ne we start Biafra. I got you churu no lawyer. Chua no bin na chube Bob Locho I chige. Because all here can because all Biafra.
Biafra, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my dear brother. Thank you very much. I salute your courage and everything. This program will end in few minutes going now. It will end in few minutes coming because we have a lot of things to do today. And what we were saying before is that if you haven't called your brothers and sisters back home, that means you are doing a very big mistake. Because all these people are campaigning here in Anambra. They go extra mile to bring Hausa, Fulani and Yoruba prostitute into our land. They bring them, they dance in the street of Oka, half naked. They dance in the street of Oka, half naked, and continue campaigning, taking alcohol, share them for 5,000 for people to come and vote for them. And they see how the people you are voting in are doing. When you come down to Anambra, go and interact with people. Interact with people in the buses and interact with them. You see that these people, the common people in the streets will not vote. It's as simple as morning. Where we have the problem is those people in the villages, those mama and papas in the villages, that they are not listening to radio Biafra, that they cannot come to social media and know what is going on because they are in the village, they don't have a smartphone and our listening is not, cannot carry it up to there. We are doing a very good job. We are doing a very hard job to reach them. We have over, I don't know how many villages we have in Anambra. We have over, I think, we have up to 1,281 villages. 1,281 villages, 21 local governments. That's what we have in Anambra. How many have you preached Biafra in it? How many? Our leaders and they can have come to, I think, up to 10 villages in Anambra. I think no. Yeah, let me say it's 10 in Anambra. Up to 10 in Anambra. Virtue of that coming of that very 10 villages, the 10 villages are count of, they will have 1,271 villages to conquer. And we have conquered up to 11 villages. They will have up to 1,600 villages, 1,206 villages to conquer. Within few weeks coming. Because we need to totally boycott. They say we need 60%, but we want it to be 100%. That even you that is campaigning for Willie Obiano, if you come out on that day and the street is deserted, you don't have any choice to run inside and go and sleep. So that is it. The job is not easy, but we are going to do it. We are going to do it. When we started doing it before, we are still going to do it. Have a call on the WhatsApp. Can you hear me? Once it's 9:30, we'll close the very program. Call on WhatsApp. Can you hear me?
Yeah, hello.
Good morning from here.
Yeah,
what's the name of where you are calling from?
Yeah, good evening from Malaysia. My name is Glory on Facebook here. My name is Glory.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm calling from Malaysia.
Thank you.
Yeah, I have my own opinion concerning the election in Anambra State.
Yeah.
So I have my own contribution. I have called my people down there in Anambra State. I have told them not to partake in anything election. and I have circulated some news all over the people around me.
Yeah.
So that's it. And you know, one thing I have to tell my people, Igbo people, Biafran people all over the world, is time has come. The time that we have been waiting for is here already. So it is the time for we to go home, because we have a home. So even here in Malaysia that I am, I have experienced a lot of things here that made me, we Biafrans, we are not among Nigeria. Even the way they are treating us here in Malaysia shows me that we are not Nigerians. Even in the embassy here, whenever we go to embassy, the way the Yorubas and Hausa people are treating us in embassy here is not a thing to write home about. So we are not Nigerians. We have to go home. We have to do all possible means, in any means, for we to go, for we not to stay with Nigerians. Our culture and their own are not the same. Our view and their own are not the same. Nothing to show that we are the same.
Yeah.
So we have to do anything possible to make sure that the election in Anambra State doesn't hold, because the Anambra State will create a room for us, for other states. So if we can boycott it now and make sure they didn't get at least up to 60% votes, then the Biafra, then our referendum, we know that our referendum is at hand. So my own mission now is for me to tell people around the world, for them to try and make sure they pass the message across all over the Biafra land and all over the world, even in the villages. I heard you when you're saying that some villages, the remote villages in Anambra State, where our mama and papa, them, where they are, maybe they have not been hearing about our radio Biafra and all the rest of them. Then we have to go inside all those places. We have to send delegates to all those places for them to go and preach the gospel, so that they will know, because most of them don't know even what is happening now. So these people may be using money to buy their minds for them to come and vote. So we have to send some delegates for them to enter into the whole villages to go and tell them what is going on. That's my own view.
Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you for that.
God bless Biafra.
And bless you too. Thank you very much for that. Thank you very much.
Bless everybody.
Thank you very, very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very, very much for that. Thank you. And we say to that, we accept that, because many things are happening. Many things are happening that we must make sure we cover it up, because not everything will come here to tell you. But I want to assure one thing to you people that listen to me. I want to assure you one thing. Oh, we have a caller here. This will be the last caller. Caller on the phone, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah, good morning from here.
Hello.
Good morning from here.
Yeah, good morning. Yeah, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I will not talk anything without first of all wishing you happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
Good luck.
Thank you very much for that. Thank you.
Yeah, well, we have been hammering on this no election in Anambra State, and our concern is just those villages. I know that enlightening people and people with smartphones and people that are living in the township and so on, we have at least have made some cover. The problem now is those people on the meat ladies, but I'm sure, because I watched one clip yesterday one woman, one elderly woman was interviewed. He said that, and I quote, that even if goats, there is a kind goat at a spot, that one day that goat must be voted. So meaning that at least she has been voting for a long time. There's nothing to show. And this woman we are talking about is over 50 or more than 50 years. And this woman is telling us that she won't vote, that she has experience, because if we are talking of our age, like as of your age, let me say black and let me say people of 30 or less than those ages, you understand?
Yeah.
So we say maybe they have not had enough experience. But this woman of 50-something years is telling us that she has had enough, that she has voted for a long time, but yes, nothing to show. So it's a lesson to every of us to learn that if such a woman can declare that there's nothing beneficial from all the election that we have been doing, at least it's a teaching, it's a lesson for us to learn also that even if we vote, there's nothing to show. It's better we do what we stay back and we see the resultant effect of staying back. We have tried many methods, the same method every year for over 60 years, and it's not working. Why can't we, if we say we are human beings, if we say that we have sense, how can't we think of another method so that we will know whether we have different results? So I believe that this November 18th is a significant day in a way that people must comply, I'm sure. And since you have been calling God to intervene, I'm sure that God is intervening, because that immunization day was a case study. That thing that they said that happened that day shows that people that have lost trust in government, people have lost trust in Nigeria, people have lost trust. Definitely that issue will be locked down. God must do it. You know how He will do it. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
God bless you. And happy birthday once more.
Thank you very much for that. Thank you very, very much. Thank you for the enthusiasm people are showing to me. Thank all of you, please. I accept that. I accept that very, very well. Before I go, I will close exactly once it's 9:30. We'll close here, please. What we're saying here is that what happened on Tarzan Johnson on Friday last week? Oh, people are still calling. I don't know. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Bro, I think we are joking here. The APC campaign trial that killed, we lost lives, was because of Hausa Fulani that came there that day. You know, they just killed the young man for nothing's sake. And that same thing will happen on the election day. Because people you are trying to vote in are full of occultic people. Go and read their backgrounds. Tony Way was sent off from school during his days in UNN. He was sent off because of cultism. Bukola was sent off of school. Willie Obiano had a problem in school because of cultism. But people don't know you. Have a caller here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Good morning, sir.
Good morning from here.
My name is Joseph. Calling from Lagos.
From where?
From Lagos.
Thank you. Go ahead and speak to us. Make it very, very snappy, please.
Okay, sir. On my own contribution, sir, I think we cannot conduct 2019 election.
We are not talking about 2000. We are talking about 18th of November. That's what we are talking now.
In Anambra, yes. I don't think we can continue in conducting that election till we are still studying for our freedom.
Yeah.
That's my own opinion, sir.
Thank you very much for that. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. Thank you very much for that. So, anybody that tries to come out that very day of 18th of November, you are risking your own life, because the people you are coming to vote for are fighting themselves within themselves. Peter Obi is fighting Obiano. Obiano is fighting Tony Moye. All these men are occultic men. Very occultic. They will start shooting people. Forget about the one they said they will dress in IPOB uniform. No. They will shoot you openly. No, it's not a joke. And you want to vote for these people. Our people don't know what is coming to them. Our people don't know. Our people don't even know what is about to come to them. The thing is a generally good. It's rubbish. You will die. You lost your life there. And by the way, if somebody wants to bribe you with only 5,000. Are you okay? Are you insane? 5,000 only? And you sell out your vote. You say your 4 years of suffering. We say that any person that will come out to vote on the 18th of November. That's my prayer. Every day I pray to Chukwuabiama. Instead of that person to come out on that very day, let Chukwuabiama inflict him with disease. That's my prayer every day. My birthday was on Monday. I couldn't even have time to celebrate or do anything because we was running up and down looking for things to do. Looking for villages to enter and tell them this is what we are going to do. So many gifts people sent to me, I haven't even collected it. Many of them, I haven't even collected it. The gift people sent to me. Just because of this very election. It is how to tell you how serious we are. And I think this is where we'll be ending this very program, my dear brothers and sisters. This is where we'll ending it. We'll call it a day here and we'll say, may Tugo come and bless all of you. Bless your family and the family of IPOB worldwide. Bless Mazen Namde KANU. Bless Mazuchemefo. Bless all of you. Listen to us. And we'll say, Chuko Kikama, please. Anybody that will come out to vote on the 18th of November, Chukwuabiama, please. Inflict him or her with disease that he cannot walk again. Or we have the last caller. The last caller, can you hear me? You will be the last caller in this program. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Good day from here.
Good morning from here. Give us your name and where you are calling from, please.
Yeah, my name is Sylvester Amba. I'm calling from India.
From India?
Yeah.
Thank you very much, my dear brother.
Okay, what I want to say is this. You see, my problem is our youth. Our youth is they are so stupid that our youth cannot think like a human being. Our thing to believe in the money is everything. Okay, and then the guy have already shown us the way. But why can't you to follow our leader? Why some people are saying, now I'm a leader, I'm social media, and see some people are commenting some rubbish about them and the guy say that they have already run away. Why can't he run away? He wants you to carry that and give it for hand. He have already shown you what you were supposed to. Okay, I'm this election now, 18th election now. I think before 18th election, some stupid youth are coming out and vote for these stupid leaders. Forget what the leaders are treating them since all over how many years they are ruling us, so we are not getting anything from them. Because of our leader make me in India. What am I doing in India? Because I see that I cannot have anything to do in Nigeria. That's why I'm in India. You think I'm
unbelievable. We lost him. The last caller on WhatsApp. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes. This is Ujudu calling from New Delhi. Yes. This is Ujudu calling from New Delhi, India.
From India.
Yes, my brother. Good morning.
Thank you very much. Please, good morning for you. Go ahead and speak. You are making it very snappy because we are about to close.
Yes, you are trying, and we have called our people in Onitsha, Anambra State. We have called everybody to stop the election because we are the people who are suffering here to our people to be okay. We are suffering here because our people in Onitsha and in all the Biafra land. We need to stop the election. We have to focus on this Biafra, nothing more. Nandikala have blessed us by giving us a way to live like a people. Here in India, we have a 24 hours light from year to year. We have food, we have everything. We are living convenient here in India, not like a zoo. So how can you go and vote? Do you look how Oboko look like? Do you look how the road in Awada? Do you look everywhere how it's looking? So how can we go and vote? Don't vote. Let us follow Nandika. Let us see. If we do not vote this, send you some voice message, some instruction we have been working on.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, we are the IPOB in India. We are behind you guys. We are working hardly here. We making protests. We do everything. We march to the government officials here to make sure we restore Biafra. We cannot go back. That's nothing like going back. We will make everything comfortable that our people are living well. Because we are living in abroad. We see everything okay. That our people are suffering. Our people are going a lot of hell in the zoo called Nigeria. They are coming here in India every day by day, paying much money here for the hospital bill. Why we could do the hospital in Nigeria? Even the one I do in my place, because of the kidnapping now, I cannot be able to open it. So we need to work hard to restore our nation, not only the Nigeria fraud. We can never do anything again with Nigeria, never. Anything it will cost. We must restore that price to it. We must battle the car to make sure we boycott the Anambra election.
Thank you very much, man. Thank you very much, my dad.
So I will send you some. Yes, I will send you some voice. After the mail, please.
Thank you.
I'll send you some message.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yes.
This is what we're ending this very program this very morning. I'm going to end it here today. And I say, may Chukwuka bless all of you that joined us today. And bless your family, the family of IPOB worldwide, and every member, everybody that is a Biafra. Let Chukwuka bless all of them. And then when Biafra come, we will remember that we fight for this very freedom to come. I'm going to sign off from here. From here, I say good morning from here.
a 24 hours light from year to year. We have food, we have everything. We are living convenient here in India, not like a zoo. So how can you go and vote? Do you look how Oboko look like? Do you look how the road in Awada? Do you look how it's looking? So how can we go and vote? Don't vote. Let us follow Nandika. Let us see. If we do not vote this, send you some voice message, some instruction we have been working on.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, we are the IPOB in India. We are behind you guys. We are working hardly here. We making protests. We do everything. We march to the government officials here to make sure we restore Biafra. We cannot go back. That's nothing like going back. We will make everything comfortable that our people are living well. Because we are living in abroad. We see everything okay. That our people are suffering. Our people are going a lot of hell in the zoo called Nigeria. They are coming here in India every day by day, paying much money here for the hospital bill. Why we could do the hospital in Nigeria? Even one I do in my place, because of the kidnapping now, I cannot be able to open it. So we need to work hard to restore our nation, not only the Nigeria fraud. We can never do anything again with Nigeria, never. Anything it will cost. We must restore that price to it. We must back in the car to make sure we back out the Anambra election.
Thank you very much, man. Thank you very much, my dad.
So I will send you some. Yes, I will send you some voice. After the mail, please.
Thank you.
I'll send you some message.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yes.
This is what we're ending this very program this very morning. I'm going to end it here today. And I say, may Chukwuka bless all of you that joined us today. And bless your family, the family of IPOB worldwide, and every member, everybody that is here. Biafra, let Chukwuka bless all of them. And then when Biafra come, we'll remember that we fight for this very freedom to come. I'm going to sign off from here. From here, I say good morning from here.
This is Ujudu calling from New Delhi, India.
From India?
Yes, my brother.
Good
morning.
Thank you very much. Please, good morning for you. Go ahead and speak. You are making it very snappy because we are about to close.
Yes, you are trying, and we have called our people in Onitsha, Anambra State. We have called everybody to stop the election because we are the people who are suffering here to our people to be okay. We are suffering here because of our people in Onitsha and in all the Biafra land. We need to stop the election. We have to focus on this Biafra, nothing more. Nandi can have blessed us by giving us a way to live like a people. Here in India, we have a 24 hours light from year to year. We have food, we have everything. We are living convenient here in India, not like a zoo. So how can you go and vote? Do you look how Oboko look like? Do you look how the road in Awada? Do you look how it's looking? So how can we go and vote? Don't vote. Let us follow Nandika. Let us see. If we do not vote this, send you some voice message, some instruction we have been working on.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, we are the IPOB in India. We are behind you guys. We are working hardly here. We making protests. We do everything. We march to the government officials here to make sure we restore Biafra. We cannot go back. That's nothing like going back. We will make everything comfortable that our people are living well. Because we are living in abroad. We see everything okay. That our people are suffering. Our people are going a lot of hell in the zoo called Nigeria. They are coming here in India every day by day, paying much money here for the hospital bill. Why we could do the hospital in Nigeria? Even the one I do in my place, because of the kidnapping now, I cannot be able to open it. So we need to work hard to restore our nation, not only the Nigeria fraud. We can never do anything again with Nigeria, never. Anything it will cost. We must restore that price to do it. We must back in the car to make sure we boycott the Anambra election.
Thank you very much, man. Thank you very much, my dad.
So I will send you some. Yes, I will send you some voice. After the mail, please.
Thank you.
I'll send you some message.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yes.
This is what we're ending this very program this very morning. I'm going to end it here today. And I say,
Anambra State. Ina kuna omre Anambra ke Anambra de mama Anambra Ghana free station le go. But Mane Ridop is a owner we create on Biafra land. So him le ku wona bra ma Bob Mane Ridop to ya kananti. Se wo pa kana ihe ojo. O lo pa kana ihe ojo na me wasa Biafra. I got you churu no lawyer. Churu no bin na chube Bob Locho I chike. Because all here can le ku biko all Biafra.
Biafra, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my dear brother. Thank you very much. I salute your courage and everything. This program will end in few minutes going now. It will end in few minutes coming because we have a lot of things to do today. And what we were saying before is that if you haven't called your brothers and sisters back home, that means you are doing a very big mistake. Because all these people are campaigning here in Anambra. They go extra mile to bring Hausa, Fulani and Yoruba prostitute into our land. They bring them, they dance in the street of Oka, half naked. They dance in the street of Oka, half naked, and continue campaigning, taking alcohol, sharing for 5,000 for people to come and vote for them. And they see how the people you are voting in are doing. When you come down to Anambra, go and interact with people. Interact with people in the buses and interact with them. You see that these people, the common people in the streets will not vote. It's as simple as morning. Where we have the problem is those people in the villages, those mama and papas in the villages, that they are not listening to radio Biafra, that they cannot come to social media and know what is going on because they are in the village, they don't have a smartphone and our little station is not, cannot carry it up to there. We are doing a very good job, we are doing a very hard job to reach them. We have over, I don't know how many villages we have in Anambra. We have over, I think, we have up to 1,281 villages. 1,281 villages, 21 local governments. That's what we have in Anambra. How many have you preached Biafra in it? How many? Our leaders in Namde Kanu have come to, I think, up to 10 villages in Anambra. I think no. Yeah, let me say it's 10 in Anambra. Up to 10 in Anambra.
I think before this election, some stupid youth are coming out and vote for these stupid leaders. Forget what the leaders are treating them since all over how many years they are ruling us, so we are not getting anything from them. Because of our leader make me in India. What am I doing in India? Because I see that I cannot have anything to do in Nigeria. That's why I'm in India. You think I'm
unbelievable. We lost him. The last caller on WhatsApp. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, this is Ujudu calling from New Delhi. Yes, this is Ujudu calling from New Delhi, India.
From India?
Yes, my brother. Good morning.
Thank you very much. Please, good morning for you. Go ahead and speak. You are making it very snappy because we are about to close.
Yes, you are trying, and we have called our people in Onitsha. Anambra State, we have called everybody to stop the election because we are the people who are suffering here to our people to be okay. We are suffering here because our people in our nation and in all the Biafra land. We need to stop the election. We have to focus on this Biafra, nothing more. Nandikala have blessed us by giving us a way to live like a people. Here in India, we have a 24 hours light from year to year. We have food, we have everything. We are living convenient here in India, not like a zoo. So how can you go and vote? Do you look how Oboko look like? Do you look how the world in Awada? Do you look how it's looking? So how can we go and vote? Don't vote. Let us follow Nandika. Let us see. If we do not vote this, send you some voice message, some instruction we have been working on.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, we are the IPOB in India. We are behind you guys. We are working hardly here. We making protests. We do everything. We march to the government officials here to make sure we restore Biafra. We cannot go back. That's nothing like going back. We will make everything comfortable that our people are living well. Because we are living in abroad. We see everything okay. That our people are suffering. Our people are going a lot of hell in the zoo called Nigeria. They are coming here in India every day by day, paying much money here for the hospital bill. Why we could do the hospital in Nigeria? Even the one I do in my place, because of the kidnapping now, I cannot be able to open it. So we need to work hard to restore our nation, not only the Nigeria fraud.
Yes, I made some cover. The problem now is those people on the meeting lady, but I'm sure because I watched one clip yesterday. One elderly woman was interviewed. He said that, and I quote, that even if goats, there is a kind goat at a spot that one day that goat must be voted. So meaning that at least she has been voting for a long time. There's nothing to show. And this woman we are talking about is over 50 or more than 50 years. And this woman is telling us that she won't vote, that she has experience, because if we are talking of our age, like as of your age, let me say black and let me say people of 30 or less than those ages, you understand?
Yeah.
So we say maybe they have not had enough experience. But this woman of 50-something years is telling us that she has had enough, that she has voted for a long time, but yes, nothing to show. So it's a lesson to every of us to learn that if such a woman can declare that there's nothing beneficial from all the election that we have been doing, at least it's a teaching, it's a lesson for us to learn also that even if we vote, there's nothing to show. It's better we do what we stay back and we see the resultant effect of staying back. We have tried many methods, the same method every year for over 60 years, and it's not working. Why can't we, if we say we are human beings, if we say that we have sense, how can't we think of another method so that we will know whether we have different results? So I believe that this November 18th is a significant day in a way that people must comply, I'm sure. And since you have been calling God to intervene, I'm sure that God is intervening, because that immunization day was a case study. That thing that they said that happened that day shows that people that have lost trust in government, people have lost trust in Nigeria, people have lost trust. Definitely that issue will be locked down. God must do it. You know how He will do it. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
God bless you. And happy birthday once more.
Thank you very much for that. Thank you very, very much. Thank you for the enthusiasm people are showing to me. Thank all of you, please. I accept that. I accept that very, very well. Before I go, I will close exactly once it's 9:30. We'll close here, please. What we're saying here is that what happened on Tarzan Johnson on Friday last week. Oh, people are still calling. I don't know. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Bro, I think we are joking here. The APC.
When something on your naka or something on expect from me. You forget anything concern election, Anambra election. Yet ago, and didn't get more and take care of them. Basara education and other things. And go for anything concern Anambra election. Not only Anambra election, any election and mena Biafra land. Nkaha can go nothing like election again in Biafra land. Yet ago, so even even my friends, most to go for nothing like election. And whether factory actually, brother, if I now go live, I must say Obiano and go Haji Guabusa, Tandabla like Rabia made election. It doesn't matter. I got walk. Exactly. So, otro kwano no kamboda bully any nekaye kuna public emecha ya is more if you go online emecha nga poge iche and some things man I give kugasi then and we can some things here may yeah because you whoop in easy you got to go Dalo Jessica Jessica.
Let's call her on the phone. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Give us your name and where you are calling from, please.
Yeah, my name is.
Your voice is very, very low. Your voice is very, very low.
Yeah, I'm calling from Canada.
From Canada?
Yes, I'm calling from Canada.
My brother, can you please speak up? Your voice is very, very low. Your voice is very, very down. I don't know.
Yeah, it's the problem.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, yeah, I'm hearing you.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Yes, I want to thank you so much for your. I want to thank you so much for your inspiration that you're giving to our people. Basically, I want you to understand that Biafra realization is something that we must put hands together and it must surely come.
Yes, sir.
Whether that is against the coming of Biafra will not succeed. And based on the...
Very much. Thank you very, very much. The caller on WhatsApp, can you hear me?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, my brother.
Good morning from here.
Yeah, it's afternoon. Michael Azubike. I'm from Biafra land, from Imo State.
Thank you very much.
Because one day I'm a Igbo this thing. I got my best friend in Igbo. Can you allow me to attend in because in the English, maybe I got what I hear. Because even the Basra election, Anambra State, Muano Thailand, and I'm a man I got the guy here, including the Mobodo and in the police. So when we Basra election of Anambra State, so Bola Atole election. So Bola that 18th November, so Bola no lawyer, Chiokren Salali, so no Pota. You want to military days ago in Anambra State. Because so no Bola Patran charge. So no Bola no lawyer, so no Bola no Anambra Wapara, na Biafra land. Because all Anambra Mrena, they go share na Ayaku na Biafra. Mazi, and the Kalu. So when na do no Bola Atlantic, my work my wine. My Bobia, my work Robia, my name, only now I get 2,000, only now I get Bia Paras, Auto, you're our destiny, you're our future, and the future moment. So then now I don't know. I don't know where you're going, your own neck. I send Dora, you go, we can show for only, or for bloodshed, or we can be a DJ happy than 2,000 or 5,000 to election. Because one thing I didn't watch a Gambo and Tenke, and you know some chocolate again, we never Basra this Bob Manuel Dog. Gọvanọ Ludog wụ Biafran, gọvanọ Ludog na-ebitere anyị, ọ na-aga emere this man advertise na Anambra State. Ị na-ekwu na o mere Anambra ka ma Anambra dị mma, ma Anambra gaa na free station na-ekwu okwu. Gọvanọ Ludog is onye na-wetrepọ nye Biafra man. So onye m na-ekwu onye ọbụla ma gọvanọ Ludog tụọ ya aka na ntị, si ewepụ aka na ihe ọjọọ, ọ na-ewepụ aka na ihe ọjọọ na-eme gbasara Biafra. Mgbe anyị ga-achị ya chụrụ n'ụlọ ya. Chua n'obi nna ya chụba ebe ọbụla ọ chọrọ ka anyị chịga ya biko ọhịa nke m na-ekwu biko ọhịa Biafra.
Thank you very much daalụ nwanne m. Thank you very much. Thank you very much my dear brother. Thank you very much. I salute your courage and everything. This program will end in few minutes going now. It will end in few minutes coming because we have a lot of things to do today. And what we were saying before is that if you haven't called your brothers and sisters back home, that means you are doing a very big. Thank you very much, my dear brother.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my dear brother from Mapu. Call on the phone. Can you hear me? Please, I need people to tell me if Hello Motherland is on now. People should confirm if Motherland is on and tell me, please.
Hello.
Call on WhatsApp. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah. Brother, good afternoon.
Good morning
from here.
Good morning from here. Give us your name and where you are calling from.
Yes, I called before, but I couldn't speak because the line cut.
Okay.
My name is Okejubu from Malaysia.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yes, I thank you first because of the good work you are doing.
Thank you very much.
In your own way to make sure that our beautiful country, Biafra, is restored.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You are doing your best to make sure that Anambra election did not hold.
Yeah.
It's a good step. We as I'm an IPOB member outside the country.
Call on the phone. Can you hear me?
I'm from Imo State precisely.
Hello.
Good morning from here.
We are saying as Anambra election is not going to hold.
Good morning, my beloved brother. How are you today?
I'm fine.
We are going to attack people that are coming to.
Okay. My name is Evangelist Emeka Ibe.
You said no.
I'm calling from London.
From London. Thank you very much, my dear brother.
We are not going to the polling booth that day.
I heard from Arambizog is in Imo State. Imo State is Biafra land.
Thank you very much, my dear brother. Go ahead and speak.
Before I say what I want to say,
Information that is spreading.
before I say what I want to say, I want to first of all thank Ohamadike one of Biafra land, Marvin KANU, and his deputy, Uche Mefo, and all the principal officers for opening our eyes. In fact, may the God Almighty Chukwu Okike Abiyama onye kere eluigwe n'ụwa, may we continue to bless them, because already we have taken off the scales from our eyes. And you, Chinemere, my brother, I don't know how to thank you. Last time I was watching one of your programs, people are commenting saying, where are you doing program when Motherland is broadcasting? I want you to know something, my brother. Listen, there are people who are calling you, and there are many people that have a fake account. Some people use this Igbo name, but they are Hausas, they are Yorubas, or
you didn't give us your name, please. Give us your name.
Hello, my name is Chidi.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Yeah. Well, more to my brothers and sisters, especially in the Anambra State. That election day, I'm very sure that my high natural will tell you.
Yeah.
That's my advice to everybody in Anambra State. Every day, I ticket here so that you don't make a name and my hanaga. So everyone can talk about.
Call on the phone. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Good morning.
Good morning from here. Give us your name and where you are calling from.
Okay, my name is Oyadeke Tukwo Kishabiama. I'm calling you from the zoo, Lagos.
From Lagos?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Go ahead and speak to us.
Yes. I want to comment on the issue of no election in Biafra land, not only Anambra State.
Go ahead. And
we are not going to participate on any election again in Biafra land. You can't be killing us and they are telling us to come out and vote for you.
Hello?
Hello, I can hear you, my brother.
Go ahead, we are listening.
I want to make it clear to our brothers in Anambra State that this is the time to take our destiny into our hands. Politicians in Biafra land cannot be killing us and at the same time asking us to vote. We are not participating on any election again. Everybody should sit at home on November 18th. Willie Obiano should go and wake the people that he has murdered in cold blood. You should wait them to come and vote for him. We have died enough. We can't be fooled every time. During the election, they will be coming inside to the market, coming to places, entering Kekena Pepe. Do they think they are still deceiving us? We are not fooled forever. Our eyes are opened. Thank God for our leader, Mazin Namde KANU. We are not participating on any election again. Let's count this loud and clear. Anybody that is trying to vote that day, Metuko Kikabia must strike him dead.
You sir? Thank you very much, my dear brother from Lagos. Thank you. Call on WhatsApp, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you. Yeah, my brother,
our eyes are opened. Thank God for our leader, Mazin Namde KANU. We are not participating on any election again. Let's count this loud and clear. Anybody that is trying to vote that day, Metuko Kikabia must strike him dead.
You sir? Thank you very much, my dear brother from Lagos. Thank you. Call on WhatsApp, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you. Yeah, my brother,
unbelievable.
So everybody should sit at home. Everybody should sit at home. That's all. Because you can't be beat us and tell us not to cry. It's not possible. How can you be killing my people? I've been telling me one Nigeria, telling me to come and vote for you again. If you not enter, you're able to do more than you have been doing before. We're not selfish. We know them more than they know themselves. So we cannot vote again. We start from Anambra State. That is all. Everybody should sit at home.
Thank you very much, my dear brother.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my dear brother from Maputo. Call on the phone, can you hear me? Please, I need people to tell me if Hello Motherland is on now. People should confirm if Motherland is on and tell me, please. Call on WhatsApp, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah. Brother, good afternoon.
Good
from
morning,
here.
Good morning from here. Give us your name and where you are calling from.
Yes, I called before, but I couldn't speak because the line cut.
Okay.
My name is Okejubu from Malaysia.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yes, I thank you first because of the good work you are doing.
Thank you very much.
In your own way to make sure that our beautiful country, Biafra, is restored.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You are doing your best to make sure that Anambra election did not hold.
Yeah.
It's a good step. We as I'm an IPOB member outside the country.
Call on the phone, can you hear me?
I'm from Imo State precisely.
Hello.
Good morning from here.
We are saying that Anambra election is not going to hold.
Good morning, my beloved brother. How are you today?
I'm fine.
We are going to attack people that are coming to vote.
Okay. My name is Evangelist Emeka Ibe. I'm calling from London.
From London. Thank you very much, my dear brother.
We are not going to the polling booth that day.
I heard from Arambizog is in Imo State. Imo State is Biafra land.
Thank you very much, my dear brother. Go ahead.
Before I say what I want to say,
information that is spreading.
Before I say what,
9:30 will close the very program. Call on WhatsApp. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Hello.
Good morning from here.
Yeah,
What's the name of where you are calling from?
Yeah. Good evening from Malaysia. My name is Glory on Facebook here. My name is Glory.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm calling from Malaysia.
Thank you.
Yeah, I have my own opinion concerning the election in Anambra State.
Yeah.
So I have my own contribution. I have called my people down there in Anambra State. I have told them not to partake in anything election. And I have circulated some news all over the people around me.
Yeah.
So that's it. And you know, one thing I have to tell my people, Igbo people, Biafran people all over the world, is time has come. The time that we have been waiting for is here already. So it is the time for we to go home, because we have a home. So even here in Malaysia that I am, I have experienced a lot of things here that made me, we Biafrans, we are not among Nigeria. Even the way they are treating us here in Malaysia shows me that we are not Nigerians. Even in the embassy here, whenever we go to embassy, the way the Yorubas and Hausa people are treating us in embassy here is not a thing to write home about. So we are not Nigerians. We have to go home. We have to do all possible means, in any means, for we to go, for we not to stay with Nigerians. Our culture and their own are not the same. Our view and their own are not the same. Nothing to show that we are the same.
Yeah.
So we have to do anything possible to make sure that the election in Anambra State doesn't hold, because the Anambra State will create a room for us, for other states. So if we can boycott it now and make sure they didn't get at least up to 60% votes, then a good
mistake. Because all these people are campaigning here in Anambra. They go extra mile to bring Hausa, Fulani and Yoruba prostitute into our land. They bring them, they dance in the street of Oka, half naked. They dance in the street of Oka, half naked, and continue campaigning, taking alcohol, sharing 5,000 for people to come and vote for them. And they see how the people you are voting in are doing. When you come down to Anambra, go and interact with people. Interact with people in the buses and interact with them. You see that these people, the common people in the streets, will not vote. It's as simple as morning. Where we have the problem is those people in the villages, those mama and papas in the villages, that they are not listening to radio Biafra, that they cannot come to social media and know what is going on, because they are in the village, they don't have a smartphone, and our lady station cannot carry it up to there. We are doing a very good job. We are doing a very hard job to reach them. We have over, I don't know how many villages we have in Anambra. We have over, I think, we have up to 1,281 villages. 1,281 villages, 21 local governments. That's what we have in Anambra. How many have you preached Biafra in it? How many? our leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu have come to, I think, up to 10 villages in Anambra. I think, no. Yeah, let me say it's 10 in Anambra. Up to 10 in Anambra. Virtue of that coming of that very 10 villages, the 10 villages are count of, they will have 1,271 villages to conquer. And we have conquered up to 11 villages. They will have up to 1,600 villages, 1,206 villages to conquer. Within few weeks coming. Because we need to totally boycott. They say we need 60%, but we want it to be 100%. That even you that is campaigning for Willie Obiano, if you come out on that day and the street is deserted, you don't have any choice to run inside and go and sleep. So that is it. The job is not easy, but we are going to do it. We are going to do it. When we started doing it before, we are still going to do it. Have a caller on the WhatsApp. Can you hear me? Once it's 9:30, we'll close the very program.
The money is everything. Okay, and now the guy have already shown us the way. But why can't you to follow our leader? Why some people are saying, now I'm a leader, I'm social media, and see some people are commenting some rubbish about the Nandekalo, say that Nandekalo have already run away. Why can't he run away? He wants you to carry the Bible and give it for hand. He have already shown you what you're supposed to do. Okay, I'm this election now, 18th election now. I think before 18th election, some stupid youth are coming out and vote for these stupid leaders. Forget what the leaders are treating them since all over how many years they are ruling us, so we are not getting anything from them. Because of our leader make me in India. What am I doing in India? Because I see that I cannot have anything to do in Nigeria. That's why I'm in India. You think I'm
unbelievable. We lost him. The last caller on WhatsApp. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes. This is Ujudu calling from New Delhi. Yes. This is Ujudu calling from New Delhi, India.
From India.
Yes, my brother. Good morning.
Thank you very much. Please, good morning for you. Go ahead and speak. You are making it very snappy because we are about to close.
Yes, you are trying, and we have called our people in Onitsha, Anambra State. We have called everybody to stop the election because we are the people who are suffering here to our people to be okay. We are suffering here because of our people in Onitsha and in all the Biafra land. We need to stop the election. We have to focus on this Biafra, nothing more. Nnamdi Kanu have blessed us by giving us a way to live like a people. Here in India, we have a 24-hour light from year to year. We have food, we have everything. We are living confident here in India, not like a zoo. So how can you go and vote? Do you look how Oboko look like? Do you look how the road in Awada? Do you look how it's looking? So how can we go and vote? Don't vote. Let us follow Nnamdi Kanu. Let us see. If we do not vote this, send you some voice message, some instruction we have been working on.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, we are the IPOB in India. We are behind you guys. We are working hardly here. We are making protests. We do everything. We march to the government officials here to make sure we restore Biafra. We cannot go back. That's nothing like going back. We will make everything comfortable that our people are living well. Because we are living in abroad, we see everything okay, that our people are suffering.